Small tutorial how to remove door handle in Mercedes CLK. To remove door handle we need to open the door completely, and here behind this door seal you need to pull it out in order to see it, and here you would see a Allen key bolt. Hopefully you can see it, and we need to undo it, not fully, and then this will go out and we could take it off. Let's do that. If you don't have it already, I suggest buying this set of keys, and here you will find one that works, and for me this is 4mm, and I would really love if this is longer key, then I could be able to turn it completely and not hit my paint, and I don't want to scratch it, so I would do it really slow, and while undoing it you will see that this goes out. So I will do it slowly and speed up the video. And this one is out. This does not get in the way, but basically if you would love to replace this infrared, here there are a few clips that you need to undo and pull this out and then replace this one, but I want to concentrate on removing this door handle, and in order to do that it's very easy. You just pull it to yourself and then remove this side first, and now just wiggle it a bit, something like this, and this one will come out. And now there is a trick how to put this back, and let me show you. In order to put the door handle back, basically you need to squeeze this mechanism from door handle inside of this slot, and in order to do that you would need to pull it to yourself and then jam this in between. So in order to do that there's few options, but basically you could use something like zip tie or something like thread. I use a thread because it's more flexible, and then I make a loop like this and go over this mechanism. Let me just catch it, something like this, okay, something like this. And now you would take this door handle, place it inside here, of course keep in mind to put it inside of this as well, and then jam it. And now when this is in, you would pull this thread out like this, and of course this needs to be adjusted, and now you just push back, and that's it. Now everything is fine. Let me try to close the door. See, it opens, and now we just put this part in and also tighten the bolt, and that's it basically. Thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed already, please subscribe, it helps a lot, and yeah, follow me on other platforms. Thank you.